Success. Baby's there. Baby there. So, we're gonna be taking some videos this trip. Our second trip as a family. And we're just really excited. Also special because for this vacation trip we're going to.
We have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
We have touchdown! Say touchdown, Dame! Where are we? Yeah! Where are we? Where are we? Diba you know? We're going to, or we're already in Hong Kong. Say Hong Kong. Kong. Yeah. So we just landed Hong Kong, and it's currently I think 9 a.m. Right? 9 a.m. Somewhere around that time. Okay. Yeah. So and now we're just waiting for Mama, and we're gonna be going to the hotel. After this, so yeah, we'll be sharing more, or I'll be sharing more as I take videos of this trip. I'll be sharing more about the experience of having a 1-year-old, this kulit little boy. Okay, bye. Kasakay na kami ng taxi on our way to the hotel. Hi, Dave. So, we have arrived at our hotel and we are so excited about this because we're staying dito sa Explorers Lodge, Disney Explorers Lodge Hotel. This is what it looks like from the outside. And upon entering, this is what will welcome you. Very nice, campy vibe. Wow! Lagyan mo yung chicken. Wow! Say hi! So pretty! Say hi, babe! Whoa! Wow! Who's that? Look at yourself in the mirror! Wow! Mickey daw, Mickey! Me, sabi niya, me. Who's that? Wow, Mickey Mouse. Oh, is that for you? You have, ball pen? Oh. Wow. Wow. This is our view. Yung pool is under maintenance, sadly. Right after check-in, just after a few hours, tayo naman ngayon ay pupunta sa Ocean Park and we booked an Uber. Convenient siya kasi nga meron kaming baby na kasama. So yeah. So guys, so an update. It is a Wednesday, by the way, and currently it's the weather here is chilly. It's a 15 degrees Celsius, so malamig-lamig ang panahon, which is good, and we really like this kind of weather. And yun lang, medyo maulan, pero ano lang, pa-hudyat-hudyat lang yung ulan. Hindi naman malakas din. Talagang ano lang, ambon lang. Yun. So yeah, right now, this is the agenda to roam around Ocean Park. And later on, gigisingin natin tong baby boy. Say hi. Hindi na si mama. This is cool. Kasama na to sa bayad na. So libre na pala to. I mean, hindi libre. Kasama na siya sa ticket na babayaran. Sa entrance fee, I believe. Alright. Tapos na ating train ride, express train ride, and dito tayo sa taas. And ang ganda. Ganda. So meron parang two options para makadating dito. It's either you go ride their cable car or yung express train nga nila. Love the view. Now we're going a level further, level higher. Kung nasaan yung mga attractions or rides nila. Kind of like your amusement park within Ocean Park. So it's here. Yeah. Wow. And bakit medyo konti ang tao ngayon? I'm thinking because maulan. Pero I think it's good timing for us because hindi na maulan. Kanina talaga medyo maambon. Ngayon hindi na. Medyo basa na ng konti. But still, di ba? The weather's nice, chilly. Tapos hindi ganun karami yung tao. So perfect time to visit Ocean Park. We're in Hong Kong Ocean Park and this boy is finally awake.
He's awake.
But first agenda, so far we're loving Ocean Park.
Find the McDonald's.
Pero first agenda is to have our lunch. Very late lunch. Good naman. Dame. Yummy? Yummy fries?
Right?
Ciao. Yung price, ito magkano to? Mga nasa 98 HKD.
With
Yung-
Coke na yan.
With Coke na. Yung hotdog is 96 HKD.
This one is $40.
This cut fries is 28 HKD. And then ito, magkano?
40.
40 HKD.
Magkano yung Chris Cut?
Chris cut fries, 28 HKD lang. Yung pinakamura.
Additional lang kasi.
But yeah, kain muna tayo. Alright, so we are back to explore Ocean Park after having our meals. Ayan. So, magtatry lang tayo explore ng mga rides dito. So, may bomb car and the famous hair raiser right here in Ocean Park. Yeah. So, tatry namin tong bomb car. Kami ni Casey. Yeah! Let's go! So Casey and I are gonna try this mild roller coaster ride. I say mild because I tried the hair raiser ride and it is crazy. Bakit dalawang beses yung umikot doon. It was good. It was fun. But I would say not for the faint of heart. Kasi sobrang bilis niya talaga. We're going in the... Ano tawag dito, love? Ocean... Ay, South Pole. Bango. Ang bango.
Ang lansa.
Oh. Wow! Ay, pinapakain nito na. Oh, look at the penguin. Are you happy? Feeding time. Hey, mama. Galing, no?
Ganda dito yung penguin kasi
Opo. Mga ano, kitang-kita mo. Galing nila, oh. Say hi. Say hi to the penguins. Shark mistake. Very sweet. Nabagal lang yun. Sige po. Alright, coffee muna tayo to keep us energized for the rest of the day, because after here sa Ocean Park, we're gonna go to the Avenue of Stars. Pero hindi pa kami tapos. I think we're gonna go sa mga panda pa. Mayroong area na mayroong mga panda, so pupuntahan pa namin yun. And so, for those who might not know, I got this coffee from McDo. And yung McDo is just down here. I'm not sure saan section to, pero sa may tapat siya halos na ng Ferris wheel. We're going to Spectacular Sea Jelly. We're going inside there. Okay, let's go inside and see the jellyfish. Yeah. Wow. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa cable car. And bababa na tayo. Cable car. Whoa, look at the view. Ganda ng view. Okay. Cable car na tayo pababa. Kanina nag-express train pa taas, ngayon pababa na tayo.
Down there. There. You see?
Wow, look at all the mascots dancing. There, oh, they see it. They're here, there, you can see it. Down, there, oh. Wow! Tulog yung mga pan dito. What did they say? Why did you say? Oh, because there are monkeys in there. What, again? Are they monkeys? You know? Oh,
It's a huge.
big starfish. Crab. Oh, stand up now. What is that? Fish. Wow! Yeah! Time check, 6:23 p.m. and it's time for us to leave Ocean Park. It's been a wonderful day, wonderful afternoon for us to spend here at Ocean Park. From sightseeing, looking at all the kinds of animals, to having an amusement park. You have all of these things in one place here sa Hong Kong Ocean Park. And as a first-timer kami, as first-timers, we believe that this is a place that's worth it to visit, especially if it's your first time here in Hong Kong. And my son really loved it.
You got the boy.
Took a little detour to the cultural center for that aesthetic spot. Pero ang main agenda talaga namin ay yung Avenue of Stars. And I think ito na yun eh. And yung cultural center is just right over here in front. But yeah, for the gram.
家有奇妙的一天。Disneyland Castle Station for most children.
Phone, mama. Nasa yung phone. Lubat nga ako
Ah.
charge ko. Dito.
This is a crib for Damian.
Charge ko. Hinad ka lang. Tingnan
Dito
mo
ka
kung
matutulog ah. You sleep here ah. Okay?
Up na
Oh, up na. Okay, so it is currently 12:16 a.m. March 5. And I just wanted to do a quick recap of day 1 of our Hong Kong trip. I'm really happy that we're finally here in Hong Kong for our family trip. And this is our first time to visit Hong Kong. Bata pa lang ako, parang gustong-gusto ko na puntahan yan. Parang dati far-fetched, but now we're here. And it took 20 plus years for me to finally achieve that. And I'm grateful that I have the chance now. I was able to achieve it with my wife and my son.
And you got to stay in...
Yes, and we
Disney
got to
Explorer.
stay in Disney Explorers Lodge. It's like a Disney hotel. So yun, I'm just trying to do a recap of today. Sobrang pagod siya, pero nangingibabaw yung happiness. Nakakapagod dahil tuloy-tuloy yung mga nangyari. So, first of all, our flight was early. Like, mga 5:35 a.m. So, kailangan 2:30. Actually, late na nga kami. Hindi man late, pero mga 3 na kami nakadating. And then, so pag check-in namin, not long after, nag-board na din. So, sobrang tuloy-tuloy lahat ng pangyayari. And then, pagdating dito sa hotel, alis kami agad for Ocean Park, which we have shared a while ago. Was a very fun experience. For first-timers, we really had fun. Kasi nga, and I would say it's very family-friendly because you have everything in there. Like, for kids, may enjoy nila yung kumili sila sa animals, di lang sea creatures eh. Iba-iba, mga birds, ano pa ba mga nandun? Panda, yan. So, hindi lang si Damian. Actually, kami din, nag-enjoy kami as parents. And on top of that, may amusement park nga. So yeah, it was a fun experience. And after nun, commute kami. Took the MTR going to, ano to? Avenue of Stars.
To watch the Symphony of Light.
Symphony of Lights. Yan. So, ang ganda ng view. Very nice view. Yan. So, itong day 1 namin, ito na yung chance na ikot kami sa city. Pero, yeah, and we did that through our Ocean Park visit. And, yun nga yung sa Avenue of Stars. And after that, commute ulit, MTR, and then finally back to the hotel. So, all of that in a span of like 1 day, parang tuloy-tuloy nakakapagod talaga. It was all in all good, and we're really looking forward to tomorrow because we're going to Disneyland Park. Yan na. So yun yung parang talagang pinakaabangan ko din sa trip na to. Yeah? So for tonight, we rest. And Damian is already asleep. Mama is also asleep. Kami nilang gising. Pero already dead tired, and for sure makakatulog na rin kami. So yeah, just wanted to share our thoughts on day 1. And yeah, we're looking forward to doing more videos for us for our memories tomorrow.